welcome back to Unboxing Life. So, you know, where you do not use perfume, do you remember any place? Like for boys, for hostelers, I'm not telling this, but for a family man, you know, a sand bottle or something that everyone needs, right? So even today's generation people that we say Gen Z, they also like perfumes, whether it be in the form of scent, in the form of deodorant, or any spray. Like everyone likes scent, and there are different scent for different occasions and purposes. But today I bought a scent bottle, so I want to unbox it with you guys, and I bought it for office uses completely. I want to use it daily on a in the office. I really seen a very good reviews of the scent bottle, so I really do not know if those reviews are really good or really right. So I bought the box. This is Ustraa Bootcamp Cologne. So this is not the premium scent bottle. This is medium range scent bottle. So this really justifies the reviews, or if the reviews are correct. Let's check it out. And as per the review, the fragrance are very good. So no more wait. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and let's feel the fragrance. So this is the package, and nowadays we do not need a knife for unboxing. Actually, this is just paper. Look, it tears up so easily. So there's a very good package actually, so that the bottle don't break. You have this cushion to just throw it out, and oh, it's quite heavy. Is Ustraa Base Camp. It's Cologne. It's Cologne. It's very good premium. I really like the packaging. It's so premium. So let's see what is there. Just throw it out. Oh, sorry. Let's check the bottle. Very good bottle actually. The premium. Can you feel it? Really feel. Oh. Look at the bottle. It's Base Camp Cologne. Wow. I really like the packaging. With the price, really worth it. The packaging is really good, and I really like the packaging. Looks such a beautiful bottle. And there is a light color here. There is a dark blue, and there is a light blue here. The packaging. Let's feel it. Oh my god. Oh my god, the freshness. Okay, I'll tell you what it feels like. It feels like woody scent, as if you are in jungle. You are having a base camp out there, and the scent of water in the jungle, and the leaves blowing, and the scent that you feel in the jungle, it is the same feelings that it gives to you. So the full review I'm going to give you an expert. Come on, just stay in the video. Hi. So now for the final verdict. Who can use this? So this is not for students. This is for corporate workers. You can use this for meetings, you can use this for, if you're a school teacher, you can use this. And on a daily basis, if you are going outing for anything, like for wedding or something, you can use this. But I also say this is not for party. It is quite sweet. That it is not that romantic kind of. It do not have that romantic fragrance. But however, this is a scent bottle. This is a scent bottle, very very sweet. You can use this for offices. You can use this for meetings, and yeah, you can use this daily, and it will not hurt you, or you will never fed up of this scent, because this is very very sweet, and sweet plus the refreshing mountain feeling, you can have it on a daily basis. Just after bath, if you take this spray, I think that would be great. I really, if you're a corporate worker, if you really go for meetings on a repeatedly, or if you're in insurance also, this really good. This boot camp, this base camp is really really good. So you can have it if you're a corporate worker. This is not for party, I would say. This is not for party. It is for a family man. It is for daily uses. And this, really reminds me of my mother. When I was a kid, my mom used to use a small scent bottle. So that was a small scent bottle, and this scent really smells almost similar, I would say, not the same. It was quite strong, but it has a fragrance, same fragrance, but that was strong, but this is less stronger, but it really smells the same. So I'm really liking it. I am feeling nostalgic right now. So I really suggest to people who are corporate workers, who attend meetings on a daily basis, and for school teachers also. My mom was a school teacher, so in that way I can relate that if you are a school teacher also, this is a very good scent bottle. So just before the class, just pick and you are good to go. For a while now I was looking to buy this, so finally I got this one, and I'm good to go now. So I really suggest to office workers and the teachers. That is my final verdict. I'm really impressed with the scent. It is really a value for money scent bottle. So you can have this. I got it for $5.60. You can have it maybe much lesser if there are offers. But for now, you will get it $5.60, and I will put the buying link. So just check my description. You will have this bootcamp. So great. Thank you for watching. So for similar videos of unboxing, we are always here to unbox new things for you, as the channel name is Unboxing Life. So we'll be unboxing everything related to our life. So do not worry, just come to our channel and check it out once, as I suggested to people who really need this. So officers need this, not the students. So in that way, we will unbox a lot of things in future, in coming future, in near future. So stay tuned in my video, and we'll get back soon. Thank you.